your water and mind your business. Simple, okay? You may think that I don't know anything, but trust me, I do. At least I think I do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, yeah. AKA Monish_, yay. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for returning back to my YouTube channel. I am so thankful, grateful, and delighted that you returned back to watch me. Today, I want to tell you guys 21 things I learned at the age of 21. My birthday is July 15th. I am a Cancer. Let me know what zodiac sign you are down below in the comment section. And without further ado, let us get into this video. Number 2, spend your money wisely when using a credit card. Spend your money wisely when using a credit card. If you're going shopping, if you are getting your nails done, whatever the case might be, make sure when it's time to make that monthly payment, you pay more than the minimum amount. Do not just pay the minimum amount, but if you don't have enough money to pay more than, at least make the minimum payment, but really try to pay more. Interest rates when your credit card company is calling you, it's no joke. So be very careful how you spend that credit card. Yes, they might give you a raise as time goes along, but make sure you don't abuse that extra advantage. So that's all I want to say. Yeah. Number 3, God and men of God are not the same person. They're not. Do not think because that person is your best friend, your road dog, your homeboy skilly biscuit, whatever the case might be. Do not think that that person cannot hurt you. It's not true. One of my good friends now, he told me, you cannot put all your trust in man. Do not put all your trust in your best friend, because your best friend, even me, those that can relate to me, I am bound to disappoint you sometime in one way or another. Please do not put all your hope and trust in me, that I can never do wrong in your sight. It's not true. Men, but God, He will never fail you. Put all your trust in God. Do not put all your trust in mankind. They're not the same. Remember, God created man. It's not the other way around. So do not put all your trust. Do not place people in such positions that they can never fail you. You have so many high expectations of them that you're like, oh, they can never do me wrong. And then when they do you wrong, you're looking like, trust me, that has happened to me. So that's why I'm telling you guys, do not do that. Number 4, it's okay to rest and not do anything. Okay, do not feel bad. If you're in college, if you're working and you go to college, if you're just working, you're not going to college, whatever your lifestyle might be, it's okay to take a day off, get in that bed and sleep. Do not worry. It's okay to do that once in a while. You need time to sleep. You need time to sleep. Number 5, get you a black dress. If you can't find a black dress, get a dark colored dress. Black in particular makes you look snatched, slim. It makes you look so popping. People are gonna have to go like, who is that? You're gonna make heads turn. It's gonna make people go, Well, dang, who that? Who that is? Let me go get her number. Let me go get his number. Get you a dark color dress. I would say preferably black, but if you can't find black, or if you can't find a dress that's in black that you like, get a dark color. It makes it look. Do it, sis. Do it. Do it, bro. Do it. Number 6, it's okay to have cheat days. If you want that Whataburger, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, Sonic, whatever the case might be, it's okay. Go get it. Do not feel bad. It's okay to treat yourself. It's okay to have cheat days. That's all I'm gonna say. Dang. Number 7, do not use scented soap down there. Do not. Use unscented, such as Dove, but do not use scented soap. If you want a yeast infection, go ahead, use scented soap, but do not, because I'm trying to help you. Do not use scented soap. Number 8, exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Remove those dead skin cells, girl. Oh, or bro, remove them. You don't need them. Exfoliate, exfoliate. Number 9, breakfast and sleep. It's very important. Okay, it's very important. Make sure you're eating breakfast. Make sure you're sleeping well. Now, if you're in college, I don't know. Sleep is just, it's not, I don't know. Everybody's different. So there are some people that they're able to sleep 6 to 8 hours every day, no matter the circumstances. They will get their 6 to 8 hours of sleep. And if you're one of those people, I'm not. But when it's time for summer break, winter break, you best believe I'm sleeping. So even during the school year, sometimes I sleep. But just make sure that you eat breakfast. It's very important. Your brain needs a source of energy. If you're not feeding it, how do you expect to retain the knowledge? How do you expect to learn anything? Like, you need breakfast. And those that say, oh no, breakfast is not important, lunch is, I'll eat lunch, don't listen to them. You go get your breakfast. Leave them. Breakfast is important. Number 10, drink your water and mind your business. Simple. Drink your water and mind your business. Don't be worried what Lydia, Austin, Dupe, Toyn, Ronaldo, Lebechi. Don't worry about what they're doing. It's not your business. Drink your water. And this is very important. What might work for somebody else does not mean it will necessarily work for you. That is very important. And it's time that you know that. Okay? You may think that I don't know anything, but trust me, I do. At least I think I do. But no, seriously, drink your water and mind your business. It's that simple. Don't worry about what somebody else is doing. What may work for that person in their lane, it's not gonna work for you in your lane. Like, drink your water. Number 11, when the alarm goes off, and I'm saying this to myself as well, when the alarm goes off, do not hit the snooze button. Okay, hit the snooze button, but don't hit it repeatedly. Maybe the first 3 times is okay. Yay. But after that, get yourself up. It's time to go. Okay. Number 12. It's okay if they don't like you. You better keep pushing and keep grinding, because not everybody understands what you're doing. Okay? And I'm saying that because a lot of people ask me, oh, yeah, you're studying economics. Why do you want to go to law school? It's not your business. Don't worry about what I'm doing, okay? When you are not doing what everybody else is doing, or what society likes to call the norm, it's a problem. Don't worry about what somebody else is doing. Worry about yourself. And if they don't understand it, maybe you have told them, this is what I want to do, blah, blah, blah. And like, I wouldn't do it like that. Don't worry. Don't listen to them. You know what you're going to do. You've already made a list of how you're going to get there. You have set all the guidelines in order, or you know the guidelines. Don't worry. It's not for them. It's not their business. Clearly. 13. Dance more. Hey, shake your body. Hey, shake your body. Hey. Okay, let's go. Dun 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 dun. Y'all thought I was joking? Hold up. And it's really not my fault if we together. Sweet little unforgettable thing. Unforgettable, sweet little unforgettable thing. So incredible. No, I'm not sorry. I'm just loving my body. I don't care if you're scared of a sweet little unforgettable thing. Number 14. Just because you're an independent woman does not mean you should feel bad when you have thoughts that go along the lines of, oh, I want somebody to take me out to dinner. Oh, I want somebody to buy me flowers. Oh, I want somebody to hold the door for me. Don't feel bad, okay? Being an independent woman has no relation with those things. So don't feel bad. It's okay. We know, and I know that you can buy it yourself, but it's not bad if you would like somebody else to buy it for you or to do it for you. It's okay, okay? So don't make society or other people make you feel bad or less of an independent woman just because those kind of thoughts linger in your head. It's all right. Number 15. Singleness is not the same as loneliness. Do not let family, friends, society, whoever tell you that because you are single, you are lonely. You're never gonna find somebody. Don't listen to them. I will leave in the description box down below where I got that number 15 from, because it's very important that you go watch that video. Pastor Mike Todd, the person that I stole that little caption from, he was only speaking facts in that video. So make sure you watch it. I listen to people when they say, oh, you're single and that equates to you're gonna be lonely for the rest of your life. It's not true. Cut it out. Number 16. Driving is not fun. I don't know what you've heard, but it's not. Okay? If you would like a story time of why I am saying that, let me know down below. Yes. Number 17. Don't allow anyone to play with your money. If you think that these numbers do not add up and you have done the math, even if you've done the math once and you're like, huh? Don't be afraid to ask somebody why those numbers don't add up. Don't let people play with your money, and don't listen to those silly excuses of, oh, it does add up. You just know. If you don't understand it, ask them, where did this 2 come from? Because I carried the 1 and I didn't get that. Don't let anyone play with your money. It's your money, whether you worked hard for it or not. Don't let anybody play with your money. Number 18. It's okay to separate yourself from your friends. Do not feel bad. Sometimes you need your alone time to recuperate and to get your energy way up. Do not feel bad, okay? Do not feel bad. Sometimes people don't understand you. I'm a Cancer and I need my alone time more than most people. Leave me alone. Simple. Number 19. Love your parents, but especially your mom, because she didn't have to bring you into this world. She carried you for 9 months. So, you know, do that. Number 20. Nobody can want it as bad as you want it, sis. Nobody. Listen to me. Listen to me. Nobody. They can tell you you need to do this because I can see in the future that you really earn lots of value from doing whatever that thing that they told you to do. But if you don't want it, I don't know. It's not, you're not gonna, it's not gonna bring you the kind of rush that you're longing for. So nobody can push yourself more than you, or nobody can want it as bad more than you. So that's number 20. 21. If you didn't take anything from this video, 21. Prayer changes everything. Come on. I know you heard that DJ Khaled song. Oh, prayer. Oh, prayer. It changes things. I know that prayer. Oh, prayer. It changes things. Yes, it changes things. Let me tell you something. It does work when you pray. I remember very well. It happened to me in Nigeria as well as in America. I advise you to study, yes, but things happen. I prayed and I don't even know, it was because of that prayer. It was because God was working in the midst of things. Favor was granted to me in terms of, I knew a little bit about the topic that was asked of me, but I didn't really know all of it, so I kind of finessed it. Favor. So make sure you pray. Prayer changes things. So thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment down below what zodiac sign you are, what tip did you like the most, what other videos I should do, share, subscribe please, and don't forget, this is Modish_Yay's channel, aka Yay. Yes, I said it the other way around, but I just want you to know that Yay, Modish_Yay are the same person. So, are they? Yes, they are. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.